Hello everyone, this is Anna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've received a lot of messages from you and many people asked me about patterns. So today I will show and tell you about such pattern called wedge. So if you're interested in it, continue watching and let's get started. The wedge pattern is a figure of uncertainty and at the same time this is a two-sided figure. The classification includes all the figures of technical analysis which can talk about continuation of the trend or its reversal. The wedge pattern is a figure of uncertainty and at the same time this is a two-sided figure. This classification includes all the figures of technical analysis which can talk about both a continuation of the trend and its reversal. And it depends on the slope of the lines and directions of patterns. Therefore, for a beginner it may seem complicated, but I'm sure you will figure it out quickly. The main representatives of this classification are the wedge itself and the triangle pattern. So let's take a look at some examples of my trading. So the first currency pair is Euro-Japanese yen. This is a 1 minute time frame and I immediately open a trade with put option for 10 minutes. So let me show you what's going on here. So we are interested in this section. I will draw a wedge shape, so we have upwards and downwards movements here. This means that for a certain period of time buyers predominate, so they are stronger, and for some sellers predominate. In the end this leads to pressure and the price should break through one of these levels. I believe that breakout will occur downwards and let me explain why I think so. So let's go to the bigger, higher time frame and see what's happening there. And here a corridor was formed inside of which there was some such movement, and in the end the corridor ends with the wedge. If you look closely you can see that the corridor was still a correction because it had an upward trend, and since the main movement is downwards, I think I will open a trade with a put option here. And I was right, and also I chose the right time frame. I caught the breakout and made a profit. But what to do if you didn't have time to open a trade on a breakout? Guys, usually after the breakout there is a rebound, so let's look at the example. I stayed on the same currency pair to show you the rebound. The same situation, only after the breakout. I'll show you the breakout in circle and there was a rebound. And now the price will continue its downward movements from this level. This is where you need to open a trade. Please note that I have already changed my time frame to the smaller time frame here. And great, the signal worked perfectly and we made a profit. Here is the last situation in which I made two trades. I have opened the call option to break through the edge, despite the fact that the overall movement is downward. Guys, I've already said that the wedge is a figure of uncertainty, and this means that it can break through up and down and we can predict for 100%. It is very important to look at the main movement, but it is also very important to look at the strength of the candles in the wedge, inside the wedge. You can see how strong the bullish candles are and what big shadows they have, and bearish ones have no so pronounced shadows. This means that every time the price wanted to explode to break out above the resistance level, this was specially pulled down. But now you can see how it's growing steadily. This means that the breakout is about to occur. That's why I'm opening a trade with a call option. But look what happened. The rebound was immediately followed by the breakout, and here is a good signal. I double my trade amount and open a trade with a call option on the rebound. And we made a profit. And I hope this video gave you the answer to the question what the wedge pattern is, how to trade with it, how it looks like. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Don't forget that I have a VIP trading team which you can join for free and trade with us. You can text me on Telegram or on Instagram. The links are there in the description. So yep, I hope I helped you a little with your knowledge in trading, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.